Peach crumb bars. Here's what you'll need to make this summer dessert. In a mixing bowl, combine the sugar, flour, baking powder, cinnamon, and salt, and give it a good whisk. Cut 2 sticks of butter into small cubes and add them to the flour sugar mixture. Using a pastry cutter or your hands, mix the butter into the flour until the mixture resembles coarse sand. Add the egg and continue mixing until the mixture holds together when you squeeze it in your palm. Divide the mixture and add slightly more than half to a 9 by 13 inch baking pan that's been lined with parchment paper. Press it firmly and evenly into the bottom of the pan to form your crust. Next, combine a bit of sugar, cornstarch, and cinnamon with the peaches and a bit of lemon juice. Stir everything to combine and pour the peaches over your pressed crust, spreading them into an even layer. Squeeze the remaining crumb mixture into small clumps and scatter them evenly over the peaches. Bake for 50 to 55 minutes in a 350-degree oven until golden brown. Let the bars cool completely before icing with a mixture of confectioner's sugar, butter, and lemon juice. You could also use milk, but I prefer the slightly citrusy flavor the lemon juice gives the glaze. Just stir everything together with a fork. You want it thin enough to drizzle, but not terribly runny. Just add a little more lemon juice or a little more confectioner's sugar to achieve the desired consistency. Drizzle the glaze over the cooled bars and serve right away. These bars will taste best and have the best texture the day they are baked, but they'll keep in a covered container at room temperature for a few days. Just expect the crust to soften a bit. I hope you enjoyed this video. For the complete recipe and others, please visit us at arkansasonline.com/cooking.